Why the Leofoto LX-255CT might be the last travel tripod you'll ever need. Seriously. Let's be honest. Hauling around a clunky, unreliable tripod feels like dragging dead weight on your creative journey. Maybe you've wrestled with flimsy legs that wobble like jelly or fumbled endlessly with awkward locks while your shot slipped away. Missed that sunrise? Yeah, you've been there. And setting up in tight spaces? Forget about it. Your gear's supposed to help you, not make you curse under your breath mid-shoot. If your current tripod kills your focus and steals your creative mojo, it's time for a change. You deserve better than wasted energy and shaky frustration. Now picture this. You're chasing light on a mountain ridge or framing macro shots at ground level, but your tripod fails again, too heavy, too slow, too bulky. Deadlines loom, your hands shake with stress, and creative burnout creeps in. Every missed frame feels like a gut punch, another missed moment that could have been the shot. Your tripod isn't just a tool anymore, it's a roadblock. And the worst part? You're stuck accepting it. Or, are you? Because settling for mediocre gear? That ends today. Meet the Leofoto LX-255CT carbon fiber lightweight travel tripod, the precision-crafted, featherlight beast built to transform your photography hustle. Carbon fiber legs? Check. A silky smooth 360 degrees ball head? Double check. Reverse folding to just 36 centimeters? Yup. And yet this beast holds a massive 8 kilograms load with confidence. Whether you're shooting epic landscapes or down-low macro magic, this tripod delivers radical flexibility and rock-solid stability. From rapid twist locks to a hollow-out spider design, every inch screams streamlined efficiency. It's not just a tripod, it's your next creative partner. Imagine workflows that flow. Set up in seconds, no fiddling, no fuss. Fold it, stash it, or deploy it effortlessly wherever adventure calls. Those missed shots? Gone. Your focus? Razor sharp. Your confidence? Through the roof. And did we mention the weather-resistant build, grippy silicone handle, and bonus accessories like a short column and weight hook? Yep, it's all here. Whether you're pro, hobbyist, or weekend shooter, the Leofoto LX-255CT removes every excuse to not capture your best work yet. Want effortless stability without backbreaking baggage? This is your move. But here's the deal. Top-tier gear like this doesn't wait around. Thousands of photographers worldwide trust Leofoto to keep their shots steady under pressure. Join them. Don't let another epic frame slip past your lens. Click buy now, upgrade your kit, and finally unleash the photographer you're meant to be. Limited stock, max performance, what are you waiting for? Get your Leofoto LX-255CT tripod today and shoot like the legend you know you are.